Hey, look at Svetlana. Look at Amy, she's sleeping. And we are at a sleepover. It's like 8 o'clock. We stayed up all night and we rode on Maria. It was so awesome. And Maria's laying in the bed with Eric, and then like Mom and Dad are sleeping. So shh, don't wake them up. Yeah, I'm playing on Eric's laptop. It's so fun. You guys should try it one time. Hey. Oh yeah, Amy's sleeping. Amy. Look at me. Just look at me for 5 minutes.
What?
You see, she's alive.
Amy, you say we're gonna what?
Look at me.
Okay.
Say hi to the camera. This is going on. I have boobies. You can see them. Your mom goes to college. Oh my gosh, get my Kit Kat. It has to be in the video.
Where is it?
But the air. Hey, look at the mouse. You guys see the mouse? Look at this. Look at the Kit Kat. I advise everybody for my birthday, go to the store and buy me one of these. King size. You have to buy me one, or else I'll never be your best friend. Buy me it. I love you. Good night. Okay, now we're gonna drag the mouse over here. We're gonna get the spaceship on. Woo! There's a spaceship on the computer. You see, it's right there. Yeah. I love you. Okay, I'm done recording.